Good afternoon. Activity Purchase Process by Rafael Barbosa. Activities that you should do after a purchase meeting. Define what our priorities are in terms of the need for raw material. Cite the supplier to know more about the product offered and the conditions. Elaborate payment, agreement, and contract. To formally request the negotiated article throughout a purchase order. Set delivery dates and perform the respective follow-up to the purchase. Check that it meets the initial agreed condition in the meeting. How many raw material we can buy in the month? The delivery is going to make on the night? Our company will receive discounts of the suppliers? Negotiates constantly will help in the operational efficiency and will help obtain reasonable pricing and competitive. Thank you.